Hahalolo, where the world starts.
From the early ideas of the dream about a social network and reaching out to the world, the birth of Hahalolo Travel Social Network Joint Stock Company has affirmed its growth and marked an important development in relentless work and creativity of founder Nguyen Van Ha and his associates. This success comes from failure and even recreation with multiple experiences, ups and downs, and different emotions, such as sadness, happiness, and aspiration. Also, Hahalolo knew how to turn difficulties into opportunities to make what seemed impossible until it was done. And we have kept moving forward together to write Hahalolo spring tunes today, 2015 to 2016, experiencing many fluctuations of the economy and the world. Hahalolo seized an opportunity to integrate and develop applied digital technology to meet a practical demand of, as well as promoted Asian images, culture, and traditional beauty to international friends. The ideas were formed in mind of the founding team in 2014. Going with the Halo Times website during this time was the team of over 10 employees in Tuathin Hue, 2017 to 2018. In May 2018, Hahalolo Travel Social Network Joint Stock Company was officially established and licensed to get into operations, restructuring in order to make regional and international business investment strategies come true. This was also a period of transformation from the platform of sharing travel as an original product on hahalolo.com to the Hahalolo social network upgraded as today, 2019. This was also a key period which marked a fully confident, powerful, and challenging step as for Hahalolo Travel Social Network, as many new products in the ecosystem, including tour, hotel, shopping, website, were continuously born. On June 10, 2019, Hahalolo Travel Social Network was officially launched. Also, a series of launch events gathered hundreds of artists, present and future. Hahalolo Travel Social Network Joint Stock Company possesses a headquarters at Ho Chi Minh City. It is divided into specialized divisions such as Technical Division, Administration Division, Sales and Customer Care Division, Investment Division, and Strategic Alliance, with nearly 1,000 employees. We are a united collective and together pursue a common aspiration to become the world's leading, most professional, prestigious, and friendly travel social network. We also set a long-term goal of 1 billion global users by 2025 in order to actualize our desire to bring a safe and prosperous life. Over 5 years of establishment and development, Hahalolo has understood the market and brought diverse solutions to business activity of enterprises and tourism. Hahalolo ecosystem is involved in 8 main areas, including an advanced travel social network with a unique feature of giving and receiving Mark 10, which is only available on Hahalolo, Hahalolo Messenger, messaging application with absolute security advantages by Hahalolo's proprietary encryption technology, along with the features such as air ticket, hotel, tour, insurance, affiliate marketing, and the community page system that forms leading travel social network. And also providing tools for business partners such as Hahalolo provides a solution to analyze the needs of customers and the market as well. It also helps connect with the system of restaurants, hotels, tourist destinations, and travel agents to share a common source of customers according to the sharing economy model, which is considered a revolutionary global development trend. Hahalolo is one of the pioneers to deploy this model. We are proud to be a strategic partner of many leading companies in the field of travel and tourism, bank, payment gateway, air ticket, hotel of international stature. This is also a guarantee for the quality and enormous economic potential of the Hahalolo Travel Social Network platform. Hahalolo builds an open working style with professional and friendly colleagues in the workplace environment, which is always vibrant with various fun and recreational activities held to help employees refresh their mind and strive for the next goals. We will always continue on with our users and businesses on the path of growth and development in the future. With many favorable development factors, Hahalolo will achieve new breakthroughs, approach the goal of becoming the leading travel social network platform, and reach out to the global stage in the shortest time.
Hahalolo, where the world starts.